Job opportunity senior manager or manager IR. Industry steel and iron manufacturing. Location Kolkata, West Bengal. Position senior manager or manager industrial relation. Experience minimum 10 years. Salary negotiable. Job description. A leading steel and iron manufacturing plant is looking for an experienced senior manager or manager industrial relation professional with strong expertise in industrial relations, union management, and labor laws. Key responsibilities: handle industrial relation IR activities for the manufacturing plant, manage and maintain effective relationship with labor unions and employer representatives, handle union management and negotiations effectively, ensure compliance with applicable labor law and statutory requirements, resolve employee grievances and industrial disputes, support management in maintaining a positive and productive work environment, handle IR-related documentation records and compliance requirements, provide guidance to management on labor laws, disciplinary matter, and employee relations, develop and maintain a strong relationship with workmen, union representatives, and other stakeholders. Candidate profile: minimum 10 years of experience in industrial relation, strong experience in IR handling and union management, good knowledge of labor laws and statutory requirements. Manufacturing plant experience is essential. Candidates from the steel and iron industry will be preferred. Strong negotiation, communication, grievance handling and conflict resolution skills. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो दिए गए नंबर पर अपना अपडेटेड CV भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और दिए गए ईमेल पर भी अपना CV भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। कॉन्टैक्ट पर्सन सुमन रॉय, डेजिग्नेशन असिस्टेंट HR। थैंक यू।